Hi there, Alistair here from the Havilland Aircraft Museum. I'm going to show you today an aircraft in our collection that's a bit of a one-off. We don't generally restore our aeroplanes to fly. I'll cover that in another post in actual fact. But this is different. This is a de Havilland DH.89 Dragon Rapide, and this is the only aeroplane in our collection that we are restoring to flying condition. Now, when you come to the museum, you can't get as close to it as I am. So this is a little bit of a special. This one is dedicated to Robin on Facebook, who specially requested this one. Thanks, Robin. Keep on watching, keep in touch, keep letting us know your requests too. Look at it, it's absolutely wonderful. This is, although this actual aircraft is probably post-war, it was a 1930s design, and it's just a gorgeous pre-interwar biplane, twin-engine biplane, little passenger airliner, basically about 8 or 9 seats, the pilot up the front. They're lovely things. These are a particular favourite of mine when you see them flying. There's quite a few flying still, and I can't wait to see this one actually fly. So it's being restored. It's taking a long time, obviously, because when you restore an aeroplane to fly, it's a very, very complex process. Every part obviously has to be exactly the right part. It has to have a piece of paper, certification and so forth. And I guess this video really is not just dedicated to Robin, who asked for it in the first place. It's dedicated to the guys that are actually doing this work. Terry Pankhurst and his team of restorers at the museum, who are doing an absolutely lovely job on this aircraft. They're very dedicated. They've been working on it for years and years now, and what a fantastic job they're doing. Everything they do has to be signed off, it has to be checked, and it has to be certified by the Civil Aviation Authority, because one day people are going to climb into this aircraft and fly. So it's very important that everything is right, and the lads are doing just a tremendous job here. When will it fly? When it's completed? Well, we don't know really, because you can't rush a job like this. Obviously at the moment no work is happening to it at all, because nobody can come in. But we'll see. I would think maybe, I don't know, several years yet. There's several years of work in it yet. Of course, when we do complete it and it flies, it can't fly from here because we're not an airfield. We have no runway, so we'll unfortunately lose the aircraft, but the reward for that will be just seeing her in the air once again, and can't wait for that. Hope you've enjoyed that quick tour around the Dragon Rapide. Stay tuned, stay well, stay in touch.